Why are we going past it?
That's definitely it, trust me.
Just a shade over 20 minutes time. We're currently to the northwest of Tenerife at the moment, so if you're sat on the left, you should have a good view. If you're sat on the right, good view of La Palma. Just like
La Palma.
a route into Tenerife today to be a left-hand turn to land onto the easterly facing runway. Just remains to say, thanks very much for flying with Jet2 Holidays, and we'll look forward to seeing you.
La Palma is right there, so Tenerife is over there. I'm not taking a picture of you.
Oh.
I'm not taking a picture of you. So we're gonna turn like boom, that way. I think we're starting to turn. Seatbelt light is on. Oh my god. Going away, La Palma.
Back to Manchester. Therefore, we kindly ask that you do have a look around your floor and seat area for any loose cabin.
Yes, it's going away. It's a bit sunny.
I don't think I've ever been to He always has it, but anyway, there's like
We're turning. We see another island. Oh, we're going down. Yo, I didn't even know there was an island underneath all them clouds. I see Tenerife out the other mountain. I mean side of the plane. We're turning like mad. We're turning. Whoa, 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 whoa. Going back to normal. I see it over there.